All right, y'all, we're gonna teach you the bend and snap. Okay, so this is a pretty fun move, pretty different, to say the least. So the way you start it, guys, you're gonna put yourself in the cuddle rather than putting your partner into the cuddle. The way you do that, you're in a two-hand hold. You're gonna lift up your right hand rather than your left, and you're gonna put it over your head. Then once we get right here, I'm gonna let go of my partner's hands, and it's like we're doing an upside down arm wrestle. You're gonna take your thumbs, interlock them, and then grip. All right, then you're gonna pop your partner out. I let go with my right hand. I still have the same grip with the other hand. I start pulling my partner across. Girls, it's important you don't try to lead this move because it's natural to want to spin the other way.
Also, sorry, I'm gonna interrupt real quick. No, you're good. So here, it looks like the guy just spins you, but you're actually gonna take 2 steps before he spins you. And you're going to spin backwards. So you do a lot of the movement in this rather than just a typical spin, you just let him spin you. You gotta take those 2 steps and like spin yourself backwards. So it looks weird, but as long as you know where you're going and what direction to move in, it looks really smooth.
So when we're right here, girls, it's natural when your partner pulls you, you're gonna wanna spin this way. It's going, like Sarah said, it's gonna be backwards. It's not gonna feel right at first. So you're gonna take 2 steps. Guys, we're gonna flick our partner's hands to our left and then catch.